Hello friends, this is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today's video is dedicated to all those people who choose to work at night, for all those students who choose to study at night, and also you will see many of your friends, colleagues or sometimes family members they feel like night is more suitable to do some study work, to focus or preparation of some entrance exam, or for any reason, like if we choose to work at night only and not during day. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. According to Ayurveda, especially for students, because they are in their growing age and they are preparing for various kind of entrance examinations, especially in India, and they actually are preparing for life. So what is the most common mistake that they do? That is, they forget to pay attention on their health. Because I understand the aims are so big, so high, and it needs a lot of effort, a lot of thinking, a lot of intellect, but in this race we forget to take care about our health. In Ayurveda, it's been said like sleep is the best medicine. If you go through spiritual texts, that also says sleep is the best meditation. All these traditional things have given a lot of importance on sleep, because these days we forgot how to sleep well. That's why we are not able to live well. According to Ayurveda also, it is very important that you try to sleep on time. That is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock you must be in your bed, and you can do like this, like you can be an early bird. That is, you can wake up at 4 o'clock. If you are making your sleep like this, it will not harm your body, and it is not like at night you will have more productive work. After working for 2 hours in night, they grab a cup of coffee and keep working and keep working and keep working. No doubt they earn very well by following this kind of routine. In many jobs are like this. But actually, what our traditional medicine, what Ayurveda has to say about it, according to Ayurveda, this kind of lifestyle is not at all healthy, because sleep is not something like body get tired and some phenomena happened and then next day again you are waking up. Sleep is something where a lot of digestion happens, a lot of healing happens, a lot of rejuvenation happen, and this is the time when body repairs itself. That's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given that you sleep on time, have your dinners early, so that body have enough time to repair itself. What is my point of saying, like, if as a student I understand these kind of things which I am saying is very difficult to understand, like what she is saying. Actual thing is, because as a student your body is in a certain phase of life where everything is life, all the wrongdoings, whatever you are doing with your body or in your life, it is not impacting that much, because body is not so sensitive, and children are also not so conscious, especially health conscious. They want to try out all the new things so that they will have fulfilled life and happy life. But actually, if you pay attention, if you think little bit in the future, according to general perception, if you keep this lifestyle for long, you try to see a lot of data that is available these days, what researchers are saying, that if you are not healthy in your body, you can never achieve happiness. So it's very important, like you should have balance in happiness and in health. So let's see how we can make use of Ayurveda in our hectic life schedule. So first thing is, for all those students and who have late night works, please try to include fruits in your diet. And all those people who are preparing for these difficult exams and they have to sit for long working hours, start your day with a big bowl of fruits, not with tea. It is not like at 5 o'clock you are sleeping in the morning and then you are getting up at 8 and then you are starting your day with coffee. This is not at all healthy lifestyle, and in future, with time, as time will pass, as your body will start aging, you will clearly see the various kind of chronic ailments will grab your body. And you can even see your parents or you can see your family members, friends or parents of the friends, what are the mistakes they have done in their life, even achievers. You should not repeat those mistakes. You try to focus on your health, try to include more and more fruits in your diet. Fruits will boost your energy levels and it will keep you healthy for long, and at the same time it will rejuvenate you, and your requirement of the sleep will naturally be reduced. Best is convert your 50% diet into raw diet, so that if you, for some reasons, if you have to study more and you don't have much time to sleep, so that the sleep quota will come down naturally and you need not to force your body like to get up or just to avoid sleep. Because sleep is not something bad, sleep is something which your body is continuously saying you, it is time that you go to bed, you sleep. So it is very important, like even if you are preparing for some exams, it is very important that you give proper time, proper rest to your body, so that when you get up, your mind will be fresh, your emotions will be fresh, your body will be fresh, and then whatever, and in this time your perception will be very high, and whatever you will perceive during this time, you will remember throughout your life. In addition to that, try to have always freshly cooked food, and try to eat this freshly cooked food within 3 hours of cooking. And after having this kind of food, don't forget to walk for 20 to 25 minutes. These tips will provide you a lot of health, and even when you will achieve your goal, whatever your dream is, when you will achieve your dream, because your body has certain lifestyle, you will be able to enjoy your success to the fullest. Don't think like I will not eat proper and I will give this time to study, because it's very important, like during the day of exam, when your exam will happen, you should feel fresh, you should feel healthy, you should be totally focused, you should be able to concentrate on the question. But if you have a habit only to study at night and sleeping during day, then what will happen, eventually your body will develop this pattern, like you will not be able to focus on the things during day. And all the exams in this country, and I guess in all other countries, they are being conducting during daytime. So it's very important, like your day, you should have ability to focus on your work during day, not during night. So anyway you need to develop this pattern, so that your exam will go good and you will achieve success in your life. At the same time, you can try little bit of workout, little bit of walking if you don't have much time, little bit of exercise, if little bit 10-15 minutes you can do some exercise. At the same time, give some time to yoga. Give some time to yoga, especially pranayama, breathing practices, because more oxygen means more refreshment to the brain, and then your perception will open more and you will be more fresh, and you will be able to perceive the subject matter in a much better way. That's why in ancient times, especially Indian way of gurukuls or traditional system was, you need to get up at 5 o'clock and then you need to do your yoga and health practices, and then after 7 or 8 you start studying, and then at 10 o'clock you have to have your brunch or whatever you want to eat. And this is how, and after that doing some household work or some physical activity just to digest your food, or some kind of walking or long going to jungles like this, and then again you focus on your studies, and then again evening comes, your stomach become light, and again focus on your studies. Whenever your stomach is full, you will observe, like whenever your stomach is full, you will not be able to concentrate totally. So so the studies were scheduled in a way, like little bit hunger should be there in stomach, so that you can focus on your studies and you can perceive the subject matter more intensely. I think we should use all these ancient techniques to achieve our goals and to keep yourself healthy, so that once you will achieve your dream, you have no regret for your health. At the same time, try to have light meals and try to have your dinners early, so that at 6 o'clock you can finish your dinner. so that from 6 to 10 there is enough time to do studies, and in the morning also try to get up at 5, and then 5 to 10 you have enough time to study. I guess this is the right way to do studies, so that you will not play with your health and not feel any kind of side effect once you achieve your goals. I hope this video will bring little bit awareness in you, and if you want to know more methods how you can be, what to eat right, what is the right food, so no, don't get confused about it. Just seasonal, whatever is available in seasonal fruit, seasonal vegetable, and your normal grains which are available in your country. Just simple food you eat. Don't take very heavy meat diets, because they also enhance the kapha dosh in your system. In short, they enhance the heaviness in your system, and then you need more sleep to digest this kind of food. I hope this video will help you and you will make use of it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. And if you have any question, please write down your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and all the best for your exams, and focus a little on your health also. It will help you in a long run. Bye, take care.